About this item: universal compatibility, fits all 3.5mm audio and auxiliary ports. Play audio from any phone, tablet, iPod, laptop, MP3 players, Walkman, Discman or other media playing device on your headphones, hi-fi, car stereo, radios, portable Bluetooth speakers and wireless audio receivers. Premium sound quality, this audio cable built with the same grade materials as premium headphone brands. 24K gold-plated contacts ensure the cleanest sound experience possible. Gives your music a depth and balance that keep your daily soundtrack alive, and it eliminates signal loss. Incredibly durable, the braided exterior housing the multi-layered inner core provides resilience to the multiple bending that may occur during use. 5 feet with a 10,000 plus bend lifespan, several times longer than original audio cables. Perfect connection, slim and step-down designed connector works perfectly with phone case on. Ultra slim extensions to the auxiliary jacks enable use with pretty much any phone or tablet case. What you get: 2x AILKIN premium auxiliary audio cable. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: universal compatibility, fits all 3.5mm audio and auxiliary ports.